If you want to make money online today, this is the right channel. Now make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you don't miss another video of how to make money online just by using your phone. Now today's app is called the Phone Rewards app. Now this app give you rewards, more like the name farm, so you have to farm the rewards, but you just have to do simple tasks, and you can get up to $1 to your PayPal, $5 up to $20 straight to your PayPal. Now this app you can do contests, but the very best way you can make money with this app is just by referring it to your friends, and you get 10,000 points. As you can see right here, I have 4,654 points, and you just have to click on these tabs. But let me show you right here. When you refer to your friends, they get 4,000 points, and that's what I got because I was referred by someone. But when you refer the app to someone, you get 10,000 points. All you have to do is click on this here, and then you can share it with anyone on WhatsApp or Facebook. Now let me show you the payout rates. The minimum withdrawal is $1, and I'm almost there, but I'll make another video of my cash out when I reach those points and I withdraw to my PayPal. And if you want to see that video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, because you don't want to miss that video. Now see, you don't need to have more you need to have more coins to withdraw. So yeah, I'm just new to this app, but how you make money is you click on any of these tabs, and you can contest for a prize or anything. Let's just play now, but I don't want to risk my coins right now, as this is just a video tutorial. You can press on the second tab and check out the winners. It says here, Grape Guy 99, winner of 200 PayPal gift card. So you can enter those contests as soon as you get those points. Now here is the fun part. You just have to answer some maths, and this is just simple math, adding numbers. So you add these two numbers and then you get your reward. See, you get 10 credits, which have been added right here. As you can see, 6 plus 8, 16 plus 8 is what? So that's just simple tasks. And if you don't want to be doing this all day, just make sure to refer to your friends. And if you don't want to start from zero, I'll leave my referral link down there so that you can start up with 4,000 points, and so that you don't have to start from scratch. And then when you refer to your friends, you get more bonus points, and you can play this contest and get 500 coins, and you can play the jackpot. That's all there is to this app, so just share it. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can download it and start making money as you go by as a teenager. Okay, so this was the first app, but I just want to show you a bonus app. So the bonus app right here is PlaySpot. Okay, so with PlaySpot, the minimum withdrawal is $20. Okay, so when you have, as soon as you have $20, which is 50 coins, you can cash out. Now you can just play games, playing games, download games to make money. Okay, so I had this first game right here. When I played it, and it's much. So the other thing is you can just watch an ad. So let me show you the cash out rates. So $20 through PayPal. You, as soon as you have 20,000 coins. Now the thing is, just refer to your friends and you get bonuses. Now I'm on the junior level, senior level, and the pro level. More coin offers, so you can watch video and make money. Watch ad. So that's it. The ads are just like 10 seconds and that's all. You don't even have to click on them, you just view it. So now when I go back to my PlaySpot app and I press back, congratulations, 10 points added. So now the next ad live in. So guys, are some of the apps that you can use to make money online. And if you want more videos, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section below, and tell me which other, or maybe what are your suggestions or what you like to do. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta ta.